Yes, so this is my room. Yes, actually today is my last day here, so just giving you a tour of my room here in Barcelona here. So this is a nice double bed for me, and I have a bedside table over there and two chairs, yeah. And also have a mini fridge here, and also more water inside there, yeah. And this is a TV up there, yeah. And this here is where you can put your luggage on. Okay, and over here is the closet right here. Have a lock, a safety lock right there, yeah. And a blanket up there, and also this side here we have some hanger and the next blanket up there. All right, and let's go to the bathroom now. So this is the bathroom here. Yeah, nice bathroom, and we have a shower right here. Very nice and comfortable for the couple days. Okay. Yeah, so I leave in the room now and going down by the lobby. So before I go to the lobby, I can give you a view of the back of Barcelona here. Look at that, look over there. How beautiful it is. That is it over there. Alright. So it's from the hotel back here. Okay. So I'm gonna go down by the lobby now. Okay. Now this is it. Number 0. 0 to go to the lobby. Okay. Okay. So this is a car park here. Yeah. So I stay at hotel number 2. I'm just going to the lobby now and go outside. Yes, so as I mentioned, this is my last day in Barcelona here. So I'm just gonna go outside and get some sunshine for the last day. Yes. So right around here is the lobby here. So right here it's the lobby here, and okay, so this is the entrance for the hotel. Yes. So that is it. Right here you have some restaurant and stuff like that. You can just come out the hotel and go right here and have your meal right here. Yes. So this is the menu for this restaurant here. Look at it. And that is the restaurant right there. Yeah. Okay. five-star hotel. And you have another restaurant right here too. Yeah. So this is my last day in Barcelona here, you know. So just giving you a little tour around the area that I stayed for the couple days, you know. Yes. So that's it from Barcelona. Thanks for watching, thanks for supporting the channel, and remember to like, share and subscribe. Yes. Yes. Yes, so I'm just giving you the last look at Barcelona for the last day. Yeah.